Recognizing employees through various recognition programs is a fantastic investment. Being appreciated is a basic human feeling and reaps great rewards for both the employee and the company. Praise and recognition are essential to an outstanding workplace and its employees' happiness and productivity. When employees feel appreciated and recognized by their company, their morale increases exponentially. Through our employee recognition workshop, your participants will recognize the value of implementing even the smallest of plans. The cost of employee recognition is very minimal in relation to the benefits that will be experienced. Employee recognition programs have been shown to vastly increase productivity, employee loyalty, and workplace safety.